Want live translation in messages on iOS 26? Follow this quick 1-minute setup. Open Settings, tap Messages, and get ready to enable Live Translate. Scroll down, find Live Translate, then flip the Live Translate toggle on. Tap Translate Settings, pick your default target language for incoming texts. Turn on Auto Detect Language so iPhone automatically detects message languages. Enable Share Sheet access so Translate appears inside Messages conversations. Switch to Messages, open a chat, and find a message you want translated. Press and hold the message bubble, then choose Translate from the context menu. Enable Inline Translate to display translations directly below the original message bubble. To reply, type your response and Messages will translate it back automatically. Try iOS 26 extras like translation hints, voice preview, and regional dialect tuning. That's it. Live Translate is ready. Test it now and switch languages anytime.